Penampilan berikutnya, pidato bahasa Inggris oleh teman kami, Fian. Kepadanya dipersilahkan.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahilladzi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidatin wa khalaqa minha zawjaha wa batha minhuma rijalan katsiran wa nisaa'a. Asyhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la syarikalah wa asyhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluh. Amma ba'd. Excellency Ustaz Ahmad Khalis, as Director of Muhammadiyah Boarding School Kutorejo, and respectable all of MBS teachers, honorable my audience, dear brothers and sisters, Allah be Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. First of all, let's thank and pray unto our God, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, who has been giving us some mercies and blessings, so we can in this place in good condition and happy situation. Secondly, my salawat and salam always be given to our Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the last messengers of Allah, who has guided us from the darkness to the brightness, from stupidness to cleverness, from Jahiliyah into Islamia, is namely Islam. Dear brothers and sisters, standing in front of you all, I would like to deliver my speech under the title, The Importance of English in Global Trade. Ladies and gentlemen, brothers and sisters, together with rhythm of time, the progress of science and technology is more increased, and international competition degree is more crowded. It forces many people to prepare anything in facing the future. It is scarce everybody must be able to master not only theory but also skill professionally. Ladies and gentlemen, we know that nowadays every country competes to make new technology by producing modern machines to get marketing sympathy from the world. And of course, the instruction of the machine using international language that can be caught by many people in the world. As we have now that English is an international language which is used all the countries in communicating of various big international events in the world. I cannot imagine when we join in an international meeting what we don't understand about English. I am sure we will get very difficult conditions at the time. Perhaps misunderstanding or miscommunicating will happen to us. And generally, English is an important role for all countries to compete in global trade in the world. So that way, we are a swing generation and we are students. Let's study English, start now, and let's prove to the world that we are able to compete with our people and our countries in this globalization era. Don't let us miss tomorrow, and don't let us to be a loser in global competition. Let's contribute and do the best what we can for our beloved country now and forever. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my speech. Thank you for your attention. Forgive me if any mistake. And finally, I say, Nasrun minallah wa fathun qarib wa bashiril mu'minin nun wal qalami wa ma yasturun. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.